first start a YouTube channel or making videos in general, it can be quite challenging to find the perfect microphone because there's a lot of good microphones out there, but they can get pretty pricey, and sometimes when you buy a budget microphone, you are usually sacrificing the sound quality. So in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the best budget USB microphone under $30, but the question is this actually the best budget microphone under $30? Well, let's find out. This is the Kmag USB Condenser Microphone, and like I mentioned, at this time of this recording, it is retailing for only $30. Let's take a look at everything that you get inside the box. Surprisingly, you get it with a pop filter for the microphone, so it serves to reduce or eliminate the popping sounds caused by the mechanical impact of fast moving air on the microphone. You also get it with a wind muff, which is useful if you're going to be recording outdoors on a windy day. It's going to reduce the wind. It also comes with a shock mount, a foldable tripod for the microphone, and the power cord. You also get it with a Type-C adapter, and this is if you want to use the microphone with your smartphone, so you have the ability to do so. And finally, you get the user manual book. When taking a look at the microphone, you will automatically be amazed by the build quality. It's fully constructed out of metal, and not only does it look high quality, but it also feels high quality to the touch. So when it comes to the build quality, it's definitely good. At the front of the microphone, you have some on controls like the mute button to mute the microphone. Surprisingly, you also get a headphone jack, so you have the ability to live monitor your audio while you are recording. But unfortunately, after testing the live monitoring, I do have to say that the live audio sounds pretty tinny and terrible, so I would almost avoid using it while monitoring the audio. You also have a volume gain knob to be able to adjust the volume on the microphone, and lastly, you'll find a reverberation control knob, which is basically like echo. So for me, it's pretty much useless because I would almost never use this feature. This microphone only has one pickup pattern, which is cardioid, which means it's only going to pick up sound directly in front of the microphone, which brings me to the next point. This microphone can be used in various types of recording scenarios like voiceovers, gaming, podcast, or really anything else that's going to be talking directly to the microphone. This is a USB microphone, so this means you literally plug it and it automatically starts recording. Obviously, there are some downsides to USB microphones. For example, a USB microphone won't sound near as good as a microphone with an XLR because XLR microphones usually have an audio interface that plugs to them, therefore making the overall sound quality much better. So now here's the question that you all have been waiting for. How good is the actual sound quality from this microphone? Well, you be the judge. You are now listening to the Kmag USB microphone. So right now I'm about 5 or 6 inches away from the microphone. So this is how the microphone should sound whenever you are recording with it. And by the way, the audio is completely raw. I'm recording with a microphone using a free program called Audacity, which is completely for free, like I said. So yeah, this is how the sound quality sounds. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys think the sound quality sounds good or if you guys think the sound quality sounds bad. Let me know down below in the comments because I would love to hear your opinions. So there you guys have it. You heard it for yourself. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the audio quality. Personally, I think the audio is not loud and clear for my tasting, and overall, I think there are better microphones out there like the Toner that I reviewed a while back and other microphones at the similar price point. So overall, if you're looking for a microphone that sounds good, I would honestly stay away from this one because the audio quality is just not good, at least for me. But I think this microphone does have its own place, and I think it's mainly suitable for people that barely started their YouTube channel or gamers that need decent sound quality that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. I also don't like the fact that, like I mentioned earlier, whenever you are using headphones to live monitor the audio, the live monitoring sounds completely terrible, and I would almost never use that feature because it makes your voice sound 10 times worse than it already is. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys think the audio quality was good, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.